Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you some 4 powerful Photoshop tools that can instantly level up your edits. So I'm going to teach you dodge and burn tool, custom shape tool, color grading and sky replacement. Okay, so let's get started with it. So first of all, you go to home, click on any customs you like and create this page. Okay, then click on the custom shape tool. Click on any custom shape you like from the shape tool over here. You can click on any of this you like, and then what you can do is you can fill any color you want. So I'm going to fill with this. Okay, and press selection tool anywhere you like. So now what I'm going to do is, this is a part of custom shape tools. You can create any shape you like to. Next is dodge and burn. So in dodge and burn, what you can do is, so here you see one hand image over here. So this is burn tool. So burn tool, there is ranges, different ranges. So this is shadow. So in shadow, what you can do is, so you see here, control plus plus, I'm going to zoom in to this thing. So if you drag it down, so you see some brownish colors. So that is shadowing this part. Okay, so if you go to mid tones, what it does is, let's control Z to show you the effect. Okay, now for now this one. So now if you do the mid tone, see how dark it is coming. So this is the difference between mid tones and shadows. Okay, and now let's choose highlights. Highlights is a little bit lighter than shadows. Okay, so now if you want the exposure to be a little less, not so much bright or so much dark, you can just do this. So see the difference. I'm going to make it a little bit darker. See, a little bit lighter. See, the difference is shown here. So you can just keep on playing with it and it will get practiced. So this is about burn tool. Now dodge tool. Dodge tool will make the object very bright. Okay, so now the exposure is less. So you might see you can see here a little bit exposure is increased. You see the difference between here and here. This is the burn tool, this is the dodge tool. So this is the difference between burn and dodge. So if you do control 0, this is the difference. Okay, so you can just make some designs like this over here on the ship itself. Okay, so this is about dodge and burn tool. So next we're going to talk about color grading. So let's take a new layer. Let's take a shape. So I'm going to take this shape. I'm going to make a very big circle so you can see it a little clearer. So now in this option only you can see fill option, right? You can't see any grading here. So what you can do is, when you click on the fill tab, you see these options. So this is no fill. Okay, and this is, you can choose any color you like from here. CMYK is, C is this or this. Grayscale is all that white to black. Pastel is, I think you might have learned all this in your lower grades, so no need to explain, I think. And these are gradings. So this is what I was talking about, color grading. So in color grading you can make like this, and from here you can choose this, or from here you can choose a different color you like. So you can just go here, put on blue, go here, or just a second, just control Z. What you have to do is, you just have to select over here, double click, and click on any color you like. So see that color changed. You see the colors it's changing over here. See over here changing. Okay, so this is what you can do. So this is how you color grade your object, text, image, anything you like to. So I'm going to take this and okay. So see, this is the color grading. It's nothing big or anything. You can just play with it, make any posters or your portfolio or your profile, anything you like. For your future generations and all, you can use these kind of tools. Okay, so next I'm going to teach you sky replacement. So let's take a new layer and let's go to Google and let's type here sky or scenery. Okay, let's type here scenery. I'm going to take this one. So let's take this copy image, go back to Photoshop and paste this image over here. So now what we can do is we'll take the move tool, we'll stretch it to the artboard. Okay, and then after selecting to the artboard, what you can do is Control 0. And now in the edit option, you see the option sky replacement is disabled. Maybe wait. It's rasterized already. Sometimes this kind of effects might happen. So you might have to click on the layer, go to edit. Yeah, see. Now sky replacement is there. So click on sky replacement. So now it's loading a little bit. Okay, so now you see the options changed a little bit. You see, before it was this. Okay, and now sky replacement is loading. It changed. You see the difference of this is and this is different. So if you change to this, it just changes the sky. That's all. So you can keep on playing with this. So there are different kinds of skies which you like. Whichever you like, you can put it into the object. So I think this is better here. And from this you can play with the shift edge. So you see the changes. It's changing the opacity on the trees and all. Fade edge. Fade edge means it will make the opacity of the edges. Brightness. It will make the sky a little bit brighter. See? So now it looks like it's daytime over there. So when the night and all comes, it looks like this. Okay? And this is the temperature. So if it is summer, it's going to look like this. If it is winter, it's going to look like this. Multiply and screen. The difference looks. Screen is this. And multiply is it will make it a little bit darker. So this is all about sky replacement. I hope you like it, and in the comments below you can tell me like which tool should I explain deeply next. Hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe.